In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to the French language setting in Notion. Whether you're looking to practice your French skills, live in a French-speaking region, or simply prefer using Notion in French, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you will have your Notion workspace configured in French with just a few clicks. Let's begin by opening Notion. You can do this by navigating to your browser or opening the Notion app on your device. Once you're in Notion, you'll want to direct your attention to the Settings menu. The Settings option is usually represented by a gear icon. It's typically located in the bottom left-hand corner of the sidebar. This is your central hub for customizing your Notion experience, including language settings. Next, you'll need to find the Settings menu to access the language preferences. When you're in the settings, look for an arrow. This arrow acts as a drop-down, revealing various options that you can change within Notion. It can sometimes be nestled into submenus, so don't worry if it takes a moment to locate. Once you've found and clicked on this arrow, you'll see a list of different settings you can adjust. Now, let's tackle the most crucial part of this process, selecting French as your language. After clicking the arrow, a list of available languages will be displayed. What you're looking for specifically is French, France. Notion offers several language options, but choosing French France will ensure your workspace is in the standard French language setting. Go ahead and click on French France to select it. With French selected, there's only one step left, which is to confirm and update your language choice. Look for the Update button. By pressing it, you finalize your selection and apply the new language setting. This action tells Notion to switch from whatever default language you were using to French. Remember, this update may take a moment as Notion reconfigures your workspace language settings. And that's it. You've successfully switched Notion to French. You'll notice that your menus, commands, and other interface elements are now displayed in French. This change will help create a more immersive French experience across your Notion pages. If you ever wish to switch back to another language, simply follow these steps again and select your desired language. Thanks for watching this guide on changing the language settings in Notion to French. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to explore the other videos on our channel for more tips and advanced features within Notion.